How to change name on Subway Surfers. So if you want to change the name on Subway Surfers, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Google. After opening your Google, you need to search for Subway Surfers support, and you need to go with this option, which is the support under SYBO. After tapping on it, it will take you to this kind of interface on your browser. Now you need to just simply go with any option that you're comfortable with. I'll just simply go with the first one, which is lost progress. And here, if you scroll down, then you will have an option of contact us. Tap on contact us, and here you need to enter the full name, your email address, and the problem. So under the problem, you need to write that I want to change my name to this and this from this, and you need to enter your email address or your mobile number that you've used or the account username that you've used while creating your account, and then go with submit. You can also attach some files, and after submitting, your name will be changed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.